Next up, problem 11. Find all solutions. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. Cosine squared x minus cosine x minus 2. I know right off the bat this is a problem. I can't put the cosines and the cosine x together. Just can't do anything with x squared minus x. Not like this. Okay, so get things set equal to 0, which they are. And then let's factor this guy. Now, since I have terms, a trinomial, I know this is factoring into two binomials, two term factors. The reverse FOIL. And this one's not too bad. There's only one way to do it. To get a cosine squared, I can have a x times cosine x. Okay, to 2, I can have a 1 and a 2. It. And then to make that negative, I suppose there is some ways we could do this. I've got to have, the 2 be negative, 1 be positive, because yes, that'll give me a negative cosine plus a cosine will give me that negative cosine. Okay, a couple things with this. I suppose we can always FOIL things back out, double check. Cosine times cosine, cosine squared x. Order cosine x times negative 2, give me a negative 2 cosine x. Inner 1 times cosine will be plus a cosine x. Last 1 times negative 2 is just a negative 2. Okay, the negative cosine plus the cosine would turn into negative cosine. Okay, so I know I have things covered. I know I factored. Let's try again here. Well, there you go. I guess the other reminder we can do is if you really don't like factoring with trig involved, okay, you could switch this to x squared x minus 2 equals 0. After that, and then just replace your x's with the cosines once you're done. Okay, so the tough part of this question, from here it's pretty simple. We'll set each factor equal to 0. Cosine x plus equals 0. That means that x is equal to negative 1. Since we're talking a nice value for the cosine, I'm going to go to my graph of the wave. Cosines are one that starts on top, and it runs between 1 and negative 1. We want to figure out what this x value is. Well, the period of cosine is pi. Half of that's pi. All right, that's where the pi solution is coming from for that one. Okay, other one, I want to know where cosine of x minus 2 equals 0. In other words, where is cosine x equal to a 2? Okay, kind of a trick question for this one. Graph it out to show you what's going on. We know what cosine looks like. We've got that here already. Suppose I could just use that picture again. It goes up to 1. I want to know where it's equal to 2, though. Well, it's negative up to 2. Never gets above 1. That's why this factor has no solution. Okay, I can't find zeros of the second factor. I still do have zeros of the first factor. So all the solutions to the entire equation is just the pi. And as far as what I'm going to add to that, is it plus k pi plus 2k pi? Well, let's take a look. If I do another cycle here, let's see here, I've got pi, 2 pi, this would be 3 pi, this would be 4 pi. Yep, so my solutions are 2 pi units away, say plus 2k pi. That's as simple as we can make that one.